Stop scrolling. Google has just released Gemini Veo 3 and it's about to change video creation forever. Imagine typing a sentence and AI instantly turns it into a cinematic video. Sounds unreal, right? Let me show you how. So, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into Google's brand new AI tool, Gemini Veo 3. This is not just another update, it's Google's biggest leap in AI generated video, and it could completely transform the way creators, marketers, and filmmakers work. So, what makes Gemini Veo 3 so powerful? First, it creates high quality cinematic videos directly from the text prompts. Second, it allows you to customize scenes, characters, and even camera movements. And third, it's faster and more accurate than previous AI models. And here's the big one, it's deeply connected with the Google ecosystem. Imagine creating a video inside Google Docs or generating ad creatives directly from YouTube campaigns. That's where this is headed. Now let's talk the impact. For content creator, this means no expensive camera, no complex editing, no film crew. For marketers, it means ad creatives at scale in minutes. And for everyday users, it could make professional video production as easy as writing a sentence. And this is just not an upgrade, it's a game changer for the entire creative industry. So, what do you think? Would you trust an AI to create your videos? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're excited about the future of AI, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell because I'll be testing every new AI tool the moment it drops.